In today's video, we are going to give you information about the world's most powerful and advanced smartphone Tesla Pi phone, which has been prepared by Elon Musk's Tesla company. The biggest advantage of this mobile phone is that it can recharge itself with solar energy. Therefore, you will not need to charge it again and again. The second advantage of the Tesla Pi phone is that it will not lose signal in any corner of the world, as it will be connected to the internet from space by SpaceX's Starlink, which is another company of Elon Musk. In today's video, we will give information about the full features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Tesla Pi phone. Satellite internet. Along with 6G support, you are also going to get the support of Starlink in this great smartphone, with which you can avail internet facility from any place in the world. This means that no matter where you are in the world, your internet will not go down. Vehicle control. In this phone you will also be given Tesla app, which will help in performing the basic functions of the car. With the help of this mobile you will be able to control everything in the car. Solar charging. The biggest advantage of this mobile phone is that it can recharge itself with solar energy. Therefore, you will not need to charge it again and again. Photography. You are also going to get a great 200 megapixel DSLR camera in this upcoming phone, with which you are expected to get 500x zoom, with which you can observe every planet of our solar system. Crypto mining. This phone is going to have another special feature. In this you will be able to mine cryptocurrency. Price or launch date. Talking about the price, according to leaks its price is expected to be around $800 to $1,200. And if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it till now. But if reports are to be believed, it will be launched only in 2025.